Good afternoon, everybody. This is Prince. This is Prince Gold from Kuwait. It's 26th of February 2016, 1:30 p.m. in Kuwait time, and we are watching the U.S. crude oil. The broker I'm using is avatrade.com. The reason being is they're offering swap-free accounts and non-expiring crude oil futures. So if you have a position that's stuck and you want to hold on to it, they don't liquidate for me. So the platform is MetaTrader 4. Now I'm watching the daily chart because I think it's best for making more accurate trading decisions based on technical analysis. I've got this trend line I was able to draw. You see that? From 106 area until the recent market price structure. This trend line for me is a resistance, of course. It's a trend line resistance. Plus I've got a couple of levels marked here. 25.87, maybe let's make it a little bit up. 34.78 coming from this peak, and you can see this was a support that turned into resistance later and the market fell down. No new lower lows being formed, and I used the swing high from 24th of August, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Yep, 24th of August. We've got this support that turned into resistance as well, 37.68 level, and this is the maximum resistance I'm using for now. Medium term 50.90. By medium term I mean in next 2 to 6 months maybe we may touch 50.97 level. Alright, and the technical indicator that I use is only the 20 simple moving average. I don't like complicating things. I trade based on KISS simple, KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. I don't like using the word stupid, but this is how it's popular. The sentence. Now, the bar has closed bullish above the 20 simple moving average. It is an indication of an uptrend for me. I am already having a couple of buys even at the top. They're very small size. They don't matter because I use dollar cost averaging. So if you are someone who want to benefit from this analysis, this is how I would look at the market. Bar closed above the 20 simple moving average, far away from the resistance. I'm taking a buy. That's one way to enter. Take a buy. Earlier it would have been a buy here. So it is a kind of a 220 or 200 or 150 pips average move. Second way is, as long as we are above the simple moving average, we can even buy above the resistances. We could buy maybe here above the close. If the bar closes above 34.78, I can enter a buy trade. Or what could also happen is maybe market will chop and slop. Okay, so it might pull back, come at these support levels. If the buyers are really strong, the market may not fall again. Okay, and it can break above the trend line or these resistances. So I can put a buy stop exactly here above these trend lines or even above the resistance that's coming up. That's how I would take a buy trade. Now how to take a short trade. Okay, now I don't want to short the lows. I'll be honest, I'm not confident in taking short trades, but this is how it would happen. Market will go up, probably test this resistance, and if the candle does not close above the trend line or above the resistance line, horizontal resistance line, and reverses back, if a new red candle will open below the resistance, I would enter a short trade as a reversal, and I would carry it to the previous day low or towards the moving average to exit with profit. Okay, that's how I would take a short trade. Now if we see a very big bar, very big bar I mean by a bar like this one or this one from here, from the top, and it's going through below the moving average, I would still want to wait, because we have here a zone, an established zone of approximately 890 or 800 pips, 850 pips, which is a big zone. Alright, I prefer buying a pullback. Okay guys, sorry, I don't want to comment so much on the short selling part. I'm not confident about it. There's a possibility it can go to $16 a barrel, but I would personally take a breakout of 25.94. If market closes below 25.94, I'll take a short sell. Not a good idea, but that's what I am planning to do. And yep, That's a quick analysis on crude oil. I've shown you the trend line. I've placed some support and resistance levels for you. The market is bullish. From the past 3 days, we are having higher highs, higher highs. If you don't believe me, you can check your charts. All right, you've got a higher high here, higher high there, higher high here, another high. We're breaking above the resistance, and these are the higher lows. Hope this makes sense. Now, if I want to make my life more complicated, I can draw a few more. So we have a kind of a bull channel also forming. Okay, so we're going towards the uptrend. If you're a short-term trader, let the price come back near these bull channel support levels. You can buy from here and go up, or if they touch the highs of the channel, you can look for a short trade. But to enter a short trade, I prefer the candle closes below the moving average so we can enter. And that's how simple it is. I don't use stop losses because my risk per 100 pips is 0.25% only. Alright, no stop losses for me. For those who want to use a stop loss, maybe it's too late to enter a buy. If you want to use a stop loss for as per uh, my strategy, candle closed above. For example, let's say this was the open independent candle. This opened above. I would keep a stop loss below the moving average. Okay, and you can even trail it if you want. Hope the video helps. I'm doing a video after a very long time, so probably not so good as the previous ones. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Send me a Skype message, send me a WhatsApp message, leave a comment below in the video, and have a great weekend, everybody. Wish you all the success and happiness. Prince is out. Bye bye for now.